Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more video update. Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a potato wedges, a quick snack. First let's take potato. I'm taking here 4 medium size of potato. So it's better to have a similar size of potato so that we can slice it evenly. Let's slice it in this way. First we'll make into half, then we will make into 4 pieces of that half. Make sure all these potato slices are even so that it can be cooked evenly at the same time. After it has been all sliced, then we can wash it properly and clean it. Then now let's boil the potato with some salt, and we don't need to boil for not more than 5 to 6 7 minutes. We just need to boil until it's 50% cooked. Make sure that it doesn't overcook, or it's better to cook less than 50% because we need to fry it again and it will be more crispier if you don't cook until it's only 50%. After boil, let's remove into a bowl. Then let's put some rice flour and mix it well. So then make sure all the sliced potato are coated with this rice flour. So this rice flour will help when we dip into batter. If you don't have rice flour, you can make it easily. Now let's make a batter. First we'll put 3 tablespoons of wheat flour, all wheat flour. Then we will add another 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Then we will add a half tablespoon of red chili flakes and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then we will add half tablespoon of salt or salt to your taste. Then we'll put some water and we will mix it properly. You can put water by checking how the thickness of the batter. So first we'll put some, then we will mix it, then again we will see how it is. Then that way we can adjust the amount of water, how much it's required. You can mix it by using a fork as I have done here, or you can use hand whisker. Make sure that the batter is smooth and not that much thick. It will be easy to fry. We want to make sure that the potato wedges are not thickly coated with this batter to make sure it's thin. Now let's dip the potato slice into the batter like this way. Then we need to fall off the extra batter from the potato slice. That way it doesn't have that extra thick layer of batter on the potato. We can repeat the same process for all the remaining potato slice, and we can keep on separate on a plate. Now let's heat up the pan and oil in high flame, and then we will add one by one all the potato slices into the hot oil and let it fry for 1 minute, just 1 minute, because we are going to do a double fry to make it more crispier and tastier. So make sure that it's not been fried for more than 1 minute. So after 1 minute, let's remove it into a plate and rest it and cool it down for 10 to 15 minutes. So we are going to refry after the potato wedges are cool. Let's rest the potato wedges for 10 to 15 minutes. Then after we will reheat the pan and oil. Then again we will fry the potato wedges again for 1 more minute. Let it fry properly for 1 more minute. Then we will remove it and it will be ready to serve. As you can see that it's been 1 minute, the color has been changed to more golden brown color. It's indicated it's ready. So let's take it off and garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and red chili flakes. Now it's ready. Bye bye guys, see you on my next video. Please subscribe to get more video updates in future, and also hit the bell icon.